Today I'm going to show you the Telit NExTPro, our ultimate solution for managing your SIM cards. Our portal is designed to simplify the process of managing IoT SIM cards, giving you complete control over your connectivity solutions from a single dashboard. Telit NExTPro is a simple and intuitive interface that makes it easy for you to manage your SIM cards, no matter how many you have. The portal provides a complete view of all SIM cards, including their status, usage, and location. The SIM card activation can be done in bulk or individually. You can also set up automated activation rules based on your needs. There is real-time SIM monitoring. The Telit NExTPro provides real-time monitoring of SIM cards usage, including data usage, SMS, and voice. One of the key features of the portal is its ability to set up triggers, alerts, ensuring that you never exceed their data limits to identify issues before they become problems. The platform can also be connected through APIs. Our portal also comes with advanced security features to protect your data and ensure that the SIM cards are secure. You can set up user roles and permissions to control who has access to your SIM cards. And our portal is fully GDPR compliant, giving you peace of mind that your data is safe and secure. In summary, our Telit NExTPro is a comprehensive platform for managing your SIM cards, including activation, monitoring, network management, billing, and reporting. It's a cost-effective and efficient solution for all organizations that want to streamline their IoT SIM cards management process.